Alright, so I don't know if this is even a good angle. No, that's too close. Alright, so this is going to be a video just solely focusing on things that I love about this phone. First and foremost, guys, the body on this phone is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I got a case on this. This is a standard basic slap-on plastic case, nothing special. But the body on this phone, the way it feels in the hand, the way that it was built, the way that it looks, okay, the way that light actually hits the phone, the way the color of the phone shifts. This is the blue color on this phone. And even outside, y'all can see the reflection. I mean, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. But with that being said, it's built like a tank. I've actually dropped this phone a few times, okay? A few times, and I've yet to get a scuff. That's twice on actual pavement and once against like a side table, no scuffs. And it is a glass back. It is like steel or metal on the sides. But the way it's built is absolutely beautiful, and it's actually built like a tank in my opinion so far. And that's first, but not the number one thing I love about this phone. Keeping up with the way it looks is the fact that I'm able to get so much screen real estate on this phone. So much screen real estate on the phone, on a phone that doesn't feel that big in hand. Now, when I say big in hand, think Google Pixel 2 XL, think Note 8, those phablets. Those kinds of phones are actually pretty big in hand, even though in the case of Note 8, it really reduces the bezels, but in case of the Pixel 2 XL, there's still a lot of room to shrink those bezels. But you do get a lot of screen real estate. And with that screen real estate, they're still able to keep one of the things I love the most about this phone. Wow, I just hit puberty. Is the home front-facing fingerprint scanner. I actually prefer it in the front. The back only if it's specifically placed in a way that it doesn't impede with touching the lenses and things like that. And while we're on the topic of biometrics, let's talk about the front freaking camera unlock facial recognition. So out there right now, who do we have that does facial recognition? We've got the Samsungs of the world. We've got obviously iPhone X. Probably the best or the most famous or notorious. However, I'll say this, I don't like the iPhone X's facial recognition system as much as I like the P20 Pros or even other phone manufacturers out there. Compared to the P20 Pro, the iPhone X takes too long. Sure, the iPhone X allows you to unlock your phone at night, no problem. However, I don't really need to worry about that because with the P20 Pro, if I'm at night, I can just use the fingerprint scanner. But with the iPhone X, if I'm not trying to use the facial recognition, or the facial recognition becomes an issue, sometimes it fails, then I got to use my PIN. I don't like that. I don't like that. I like the fact that I can still use the face. Like, y'all can't tell right now, but like, it's already unlocked. It's so fast that, matter of fact, when you raise the phone up, it sees your face is done. So you can either turn on the phone and then do it, or you can just have it like lift up, raise to wake, sees your face, and done. And the number one thing I love about this phone, guys, if you've been on my channel for a while now, you know how much I feel about battery life. The 4,000 milliamp hour battery in this bad boy is crucial. It's beautiful. I easily get through 6.5 hours of screen on time all day, every day. And on top of that, I go 0 to 30 to 40 real quick, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, I'm at 40%. Super fast charging, the fastest charging in the game. Sorry about that. Got a heart. I think the sprinklers just turned on. I'm about to get washed out here. But yeah, so supercharging, super fast. Battery pack lasts forever. 4,000 milliamp hour battery. The phone's not even fat. So to all you phone manufacturers out there, I'm saying it, and I'm a small channel. Everybody else who's a big channel saying it. Slap a bigger battery. Let that be a millimeter or two fatter, and people are going to thank you for it. So if you're considering the P20 Pro, understand you're going to need a lot of money. Understand that you're going to be importing it. However, it is worth it. If you love phones, if you love being different, the P20 Pro definitely going to fit that bill. It's going to knock out basically every single thing you want. I will have a final review, but before that, I'm going to hit you with some things I don't like about this phone because it's not perfect. No device is perfect. Catch me in the next video, guys. Hit that subscribe button because it's free. I don't charge for subscriptions. Drop a like, and I'll catch you in the next, guys. Peace, salute, adios, and more importantly, like always, stay geeky.